So I have a quick announcement. I know that there's some people that really look forward to my videos and really like the insight I'm gleaning, really dig the way I'm thinking about different things. And I enjoy doing these videos. I really do, man. I mean, it's probably my favorite time every weekend, or every 2 weekends I do the videos, but I'm going to have to slow down the videos. I mean, you've probably already seen it. I mean, I took about 2-3 weeks off, and it's just because a lot of things happened in my life and a lot of things I'm considering. I never actually thought I could make YouTube a full-time thing, nor did I actually ever want it to be a full-time thing, believe it or not. I mean, it would be great, but it was never actually a goal. I got the slow growth going, and I think that maybe if I focus more on it, the growth would be there. But it's more so other things happening in life. So I'm moving soon. I'm switching apartments. So, in the next couple of months, there's going to be a different background. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know if you'll notice. We'll see. Work has been hectic for me, trying to keep those hedge fund investors in check. I'm actually going to be starting an investment club soon with my family. And so that's going to take up a lot of my time. And yeah, I'm going to be still, a lot of stocks that I'm investing in today, I'm going to invest with them. But it is going to be a little bit safer, and it's going to take up a lot of time. And, also teaching my family about investing, about the stock market, not having them be afraid of it. So that's going to take up a lot of my time going forward. And most importantly, I'm kind of trying to learn how to be a data scientist. Like, oh my goodness, I don't know what it is about it, but man, I am into this data life. I'm trying to pick up the skills. I never coded, programmed before, so I'm actually trying to pick that up. I'm going to be taking an online course. It's actually Udacity. So I'm going to be taking the Udacity Data Analyst course that starts up in May. So I'm literally going to be taking that. I'm going to take the 2-part series and trying to move my career more towards that. And I like solving problems with data. I like telling stories. That's part of why I do this channel. Love valuing companies, creating my own story of what I think will happen with the company, and bringing it to you guys. And hopefully it's a good investment idea, right? So that is something that I'm really focused on doing. So learning Python, learning SQL, learning some R, data visualizations, and then going next level and possibly learning machine learning. That's kind of where the world is going, and I want to be part of that growth. I want to see, the nice salaries, and I want to enjoy the work that I'm doing to that extent, because I love solving problems with data. I love telling stories with data. So I've done it on a small scale, excuse me. I've done academic research before when I was back in college, and I enjoyed it a lot. So it would be nice to kind of push my life back towards that. So that's what I'm focusing on now. My goal is to, at the very least, get 2 videos up a month. I'm for sure going to always get the end of the month stock picks up. Like, that will always be there. But it's the in-between videos. And I do have some videos coming up. There are some stocks. I'm going to do a lot more in-depth stock picking, like my Tesla video. Check that out in the card. Do a lot more picks like that. So I have on deck, I have a request to do it for Micron, one of my subscribers. I have another request to look at international paper, which I think will be interesting. I also want to do another NVIDIA video, go deeper into NVIDIA, because there's a lot going on there. Once a darling, now, maybe still a darling, maybe not. And there's other stocks that I think are really interesting and would like to dive deeper into that you might find interesting as well. So at the very least, I would love to do more of those videos, more of those in-depth videos where I can take my time, do the research, present to you guys a viable product, have you guys thinking a little bit, and hopefully find some stocks that you guys can invest longer term. Also, let's not forget about the marijuana theme. I mean, I've been asked about that so many times, and there's more to it than I thought. So that's probably why I've been slacking on it. But, I just wanted to share that with you guys, why I'm going to be slowing down a little bit. Videos not going to be coming out as much as they did for a little while. I still love all my supporters, love all my subscribers. I appreciate the support. And if you have any stock ideas that you want me to talk about or dive deeper into, please leave in the comment section. Please let me know. And I'm going to update you guys on my journey. I'm going to update you guys with the investment club. I'm starting with my family. I'm definitely going to update you guys with a review on Udacity's Data Analyst Nanodegree program. So that's all I have to share with you all. I'm still going to see you guys soon. Not as soon, but still see you soon. All right, guys. Peace.